Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. Today I am going to be planning in my catch-all planner, which is Beauty in Florals, for the week of April 18th through the 24th. I am going to be using the weekly florals from Calvaplan, and I'm going to be using this beautiful spring collection from her. I'm not sure what to call them, but I'll call it collection. It's just super gorgeous, and these flowers scream spring to me, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and use these florals. These are clear stickers, so I'll show you in just 1 second how beautiful they are. So I'm going to go ahead and place that down on this side of the page. And as I'm doing that, I wanted to say thank you if you are coming back to my channel. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful for you. And if you just found me, welcome. I hope you really like it here. And if you do, don't forget to subscribe so you can watch more videos like this and join me in quite a fun adventure of planning. Look at this floral. Isn't it gorgeous? It is so pretty. I saw this and sometimes I forget the books I have, and then I find them and I get so excited, and it's almost like finding a book all over again. Do you guys get the same experience with planning supplies? I think once you pass a certain amount of sticker books, that's what happens to most of us. So let me know if you experience the same thing, because it can be quite fun. It's great. Okay, so let's go ahead and have some fun with this particular kit, because I feel like this sticker book from Calvaplan is almost like a little mini kit that you can use, and for me it's actually probably more than one spread per collection, because her stickers are quite large and 5 pages is probably more than I can use to fill a planner. Even if I had a big, I think that would be quite a bit. So I'm just using this beautiful floral design because, like I said, I really love it. And as always, I'm having trouble putting my stickers straight. Welcome to my world. But it's part of the fun, right? Because you're finding yourself. This does not stress me really one bit. I really enjoy the process of planning, so it's quite fun. So I'm gonna be just adding some florals here and there. And if you guys know me, you already know that my spreads are usually pretty full, but extremely functional. So I'm going to be trying to replicate this in this spread as well. So very decorative, but lots of function in order to be able to survive my week. So I'm just gonna add plenty of boxes for myself so I can keep track of events and things that are going on. Sometimes I will put a double box, and I like to layer these beautiful design boxes like so. That gives me an opportunity to still have the decorative piece and making it way more functional. So that layer look is something that I really like. So I'm gonna go ahead and rename the weeks because I think they'll look much better when everything is uniformed and matches. And if I already have it, then why not? And I'm going to put this week right there. And here comes the fun part. So today's top 3, but then I'm going to go ahead and take these bullet points and cut them in half and then place them all over the pages to create a checklist for myself of sorts. Okay, and I really love the sticker, but I'm not sure how I'll incorporate this darkness into this really light yellow peach whimsical spread. So I put it back and I am going to work with bullet points. I was thinking of using a couple checklists, but I don't think that's the look I'm going for. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and take a cutting tool and a ruler and cut those in half. These bullet points are way too large. The only way I would be able to use them is if I used a big happy planner, which I don't. I use a classic size, and these take up way too much room out of my writing. So I will go ahead and add these as halves. And bonus, because you get twice as many as you would using a single circle. So just a little bonus pro tip. Not that I'm a pro, I'm far from it, but it's kind of fun when you learn to make your stickers and your products last just a smidge longer. At least I enjoy that part quite a bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting these half moons onto my page and creating a beautiful arrangement of little tiny specks that I can then check off. Let me know what you guys think about this trick. I know I've done it before. I haven't used bullet points like this in a while. I've been drawing them lately, but I have so many sticker books that I shouldn't be, like, I should be really using them a lot more than I do. So here's to my attempt of making sure I use a little bit more of my stickers. You guys find yourself like me where you have so many stickers and you don't necessarily use them all the time, or you forget what you have? Because that's been happening to me. I need to kind of sit down and rethink my categories in my cubbies possibly and figure out if that system still works for me. I mean, I love having them in those cubbies. I just need to figure out like if the categories still make sense to me, or maybe not all of them, but rearrange some of them, because obviously if you guys know me, you know I'm never giving up my florals. With that said, one of the cubbies is mostly just floral stickers from the Happy Planner, and the other one, the bigger one, has all the other collections. So there's a lot to go through. There's truly a lot to go through. So I'm just adding these little bullet points. We have a few more days left, and I'm planning to do a full-on checklist because I've been so busy. I've been running out of room to write, which is crazy. I know, like who runs out of their room in their planner? Like, no one should be this busy. Well, lately I am. We're in the process of a lot of things, and I'm still finishing my home, and now it's kind of time to plan the backyard because it's getting warmer. So there's a lot of stuff going on, which I love, and I think I will have fun designing all of those things and deciding what we're doing. Okay, so the only problem I have so far is that Friday, this lovely, lovely day, has no checklist, so I'm gonna have to figure this out. But I put an extreme amount of checklists on Saturday, and I think I will continue to do this on Sunday as well. So this way, this enormous amount of bullet points will help me stay organized. And then look how many stickers are still left. I can easily do another spread with all of these stickers. So I'm pretty excited that this is enough to do 2 or maybe even 3 spreads. So last year in my wellness planner, I was taking one sticker book and making spreads for the whole month with that one sticker book. The only time I stopped that was in end of October, beginning of November, when I moved and I couldn't find a single thing for my planner because everything was backstop. So with that being kind of out of commission, I wasn't able to continue that because I couldn't even find the sticker book I used. With that, I kind of slid off and didn't do it. But if you guys enjoy that and kind of see how much one book would last and how many spreads and what do they look like, I can start doing that in one of the planners yet again, because that was quite easy and fun for me. So if you would like that again, let me know. Otherwise, I will continue doing my own thing. So there we go, almost done. I'm just gonna add one more bullet point and that's it. So weekly florals by Calva Plan. This is my spread. I'm gonna put it back in my planner, and thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. I will see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks. Bye.